Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, August 23rd, 2023. My name is Giovanni Benacourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Alrighty then. Well, NVIDIA's impending results are undoubtedly the biggest and most important of earnings season. Investors have had to wait until the very end, alongside the notoriously late retail earnings, but NVIDIA will finally report after the close today. The chip makers update coming in the final act of earnings season has allowed the hype to grow and grow as anticipation and expectation has built. The company has done a lot of the heavy lifting for the stock market this year, not only through its own 212% gain, but also by boosting the ever increasing cohort of AI exposed stocks along the way. So we could perhaps see NVIDIA's quarter earnings and particularly its blowout guidance amid surging demand for its AI chips. It was a blockbuster event. It sparked a months-long rally, boosting the wider tech sector. So now, could NVIDIA well do it again? Of course, but a disappointment isn't off the table either. That will be tough for the market to take, especially given the company's dominant role in boosting tech sentiment this year. So anything of that noise could bring probably most likely the Nasdaq, which is what we have in front of us right now, to trade even lower. Yesterday we saw that at the beginning of the session, the market was in the green and then it closed on the red. So that momentum or that sentiment, even though in the early London session we saw some green in the across the board, but now we have retraced from that. We are still in the green, but most likely, let's see if at the open that momentum to the upside will continue or will surmise and then just trade lower. So let's see. I will say that today is going to be one of those days that may well be very sharp trading day. So anything can be obviously happening in here. So perhaps another attempt to reach back that high in the early session, at the early session of the morning. But then throughout the day, we could probably do the same thing as yesterday and just close lower. So initially, looking to sell could be one of the possibilities. Of the same token goes for the S&P. RSI is way lower, but it's not in the oversold territory. So let's see what will happen. The Dow is has had just really a lot of red days. So today could today be the difference? Well, let's see and wait. But most likely it will be also another red day. Well, crude oil is surely showing us that. So $78 is a psychological support level for it, but I have mine at 77 to 68. So most likely we could probably meet that. Nat Gas is just looking to stay flattish in a way. So expect another leg down, most likely. Then we have gold that is looking to stay north of 1900. If it does happen to stay north of 1900, then let's see if that will be enough uh, for, let's say, for example, the currencies and the metals to recuperate itself. So silver is one that is showing us very strong momentum to the upside. $24 will be that psychological resistance for it initially. Then we have copper also making nice higher highs. We are definitely in an uptrend in copper. So of this high that we're creating, we're probably doing just a short pullback, recuperate ourselves, and then just come back up another attempt at reaching 385, the long-term target. Then we have Bitcoin that is just really flattish and no direction, so I'm out of it. Then we have Euro, which is trading lower. 107.5 is the target, selling it. 125.5 for the pound, selling it. And the dollar index continues to strengthen. So 104 will be the psychological resistance level for it. Let's see if once we reach that, will rebound off of it. And that strong rebound could probably bring us more momentum to the upside in currencies and metals. We are in the overbought territory for the dollar index. That's it for me today. Have a great trading day, and I will see you tomorrow.